And now for the chorus of Ruby Tuesday. This is the part with that nasty little B flat chord. String 4 fret 3 with your second finger, 3 fret 3 with your third finger, 2 fret 3 with your pinky, and you have to reach all the way over to string 1 fret 1 with your first finger and strum from the 4th string down. At first you're going to get a lot of buzzes and rattling and all that stuff. Just make sure your fingers are secure, and eventually that chord will clear up just like the F chord did. Unfortunately, I have both of them in this song, but that's all right. We'll get through it. It's worth it. It's a cool song. Now, just to make this part sound more upbeat like the actual recording, we're going to strum each chord 4 times, unless there's one chord in a measure, in which case you'll strum the chord 8 times. So it's going to sound like this. Goodbye, Ruby Tuesday. So bum 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 bum, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So it's a little faster. So I'm doing very short strokes with my right hand. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So you don't want to have to go 1 2 3. It takes too long to get back to the string. So very short strokes, short strums. See how my hand is barely moving? I guess you could go up and down too. Would that work? Yeah, if you feel more comfortable going down, up, down, up, down, up, you could do that too. That's a little more tricky, but I like the down, 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 down. So we're going to start at 92 beats per minute. Oops, I just turned off my metronome. This is 92 beats per minute. Oh, it's not as fast as I was playing, sorry. 1, 2, here we go. Goodbye, Ruby Tuesday. Who could hang a name on you when you change with every new day? Still I'm gonna miss you. Let's sing it again. Goodbye, and now let's do 104 beats per minute. The song may not be this fast, but actually, let's see. Yeah, it's closer to that speed. It might be a tiny bit faster. Now let's count us off. I'm going to sing it 2 times. 1, 2, here we go. Goodbye, Ruby Tuesday. Who could hang a name on you when you change with every day? Still gonna miss you. Goodbye, Ruby Tuesday. Who could hang a name on you when you change with every new day? Still I'm gonna miss you. And there you go, 2 different speeds, 92 beats per minute and 104 beats per minute. You got the verse, you got the chorus, you got your C with a G in the bass, your B flat, and your F, and your set. Can't wait to work on it with you. Have fun with it and practice hard.